Hello, let's look at how to make a Google Slide presentation. Once you have logged into your Gmail account, you can then click on at the right-hand corner where it says Google Apps. Once you click there, you can click Drive. This will load up your drive to open a new Google Slide. So I am opening my Google Drive. I'm going to click on New and then Google Slides. Once that Google Slides have popped up, I can then see my presentation starter page. I can then change my untitled presentation to the name I want it to be. So I'm going to change this one to Intro to Google Slides. I can then take and once I have renamed it, I can then take and decide which style or theme I want it to look like. So I'm going to choose this one. I'm then going to take and type in my title for my presentation, Intro to Google Slides. As we go through this, you'll learn how to add different things that you need to make a very coherent Google Slide presentation. I can then add in my name or whatever presentation that this is specifically for. Once I have my title page done, I can then on the left-hand side where it has a plus sign, I can add my new slide. I can either add the same slide by clicking the plus, or I can add a different layout. And in here you have different layouts based on title and body, title only, columns, anything that you want as far as the style you want it to be. So I'm going to put title and body. On the title and body, I can then title whatever I want my slide to be at this point. So I'm just going to type cats. I can type in based on bullets, and I can add bullets in, or I can type just text however I want it to be. Once I start typing, I can say, let's say, have claws. And I can continue to add different things about cats. And I can do them in a sentence format, or I can do them in just phrases. Now, the other trick to adding on Google Slides is I can then add different pictures to this. So I can go into Insert, and I can add a text box to make more text in there. I can add an image, chart if I'm doing something that people want to see, chart or line graph or something based on numbers, diagrams, video, a link. I can do any of these things under my Insert. So Insert has quite a few options for you. I'm going to insert an image. But to insert my image, I want to search the web. Now, if I've got the picture on my computer already, I can then take and do it by file or whatever I want it to be. So I'm going to search for cats. Now I have different cat pictures here, and I can decide which cat I want. So I'm going to just click on this cat here, and I'm going to click on it. It gives me a blue arrow, and I'm going to insert. And once that cat has inserted, I can then take in the corners, and I can make it smaller or bigger, and I can put it in here. Now, I can continue to add slides based on the topics that I want. All through here. But I can take one more thing, and I can take and I can add an animation. So I can take and I can add an animation to my words, and I can do that through Insert, Animation, and it pops up another window here. I can animate on click, I can animate automatically, I can fade in, I can do all these things. So we're going to fade in on that text, okay, and I want it to be not too fast. I want it to kind of be in the middle, and I can play it and see what it looks like. And there it is. I can then take and I can click on my picture, and I can add an animation again on my picture, and I can choose a different one if I want to, and you have all these that you can choose from. And I can click on it, and I can hit play. So I can create by adding in an animation to bring it in, or I can take it out if I want to. These creations can make it more interesting as you're presenting a presentation to a group. So have fun playing with the different animations that are there. Have fun playing with the different things that you can create with Google's for a good slide presentation for your classrooms or for any business situation or group situation. Have a great day. Bye.